welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Government to grant admissions to NEET pass-out students in GMC for PG courses. Decision after Supreme Court directions. Government forms committee to decide on medium of instruction. Uday Bembre and Savio Lopez special invitees on the committee. CM to be the chairman. Follow decision or face action, wants Digvijay Singh. Congress alleges harassment of government servants supporting Congress. Union Tourism Ministry sanctions 79 crore rupees for various infrastructural projects in Goa. Helicopter tourism, luxury cruise on the cards. And Sports Authority of Goa's engineer says Lusophoniya Games infrastructure at Peden Sports Complex is 70% complete. And now the news in detail. Government is prepared to grant admissions to the NEET pass-outs for PG courses of MS and MD. Students will get admissions in medical and dental colleges for further studies. A meeting was held between the Additional Health Secretary and the Acting Dean on Thursday. The admissions will commence from Friday.
The NEET pass-outs were hopeful of getting admissions to medical and dental colleges at Bambolim on Thursday. The candidates met the Additional Health Secretary. A meeting was held between the Secretary and the Acting Dean. Petitioners pass-out students of the NEET will get admissions for the PG courses in MD, MS and Diploma courses. The MBBS students who were given admissions will continue to attend the classes. Status quo will be maintained on the admissions till next hearing by the Supreme Court.
डीन आणि आमचे एकेडमिक सेक्शनाचे हेड आत्ता प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी परिमल रायकर वचून आयिल्ले आनी तांणी आतां ऑर्डर हांगा धाडून दिला. सद्या नोटीस बोर्डाचेर ऑर्डर आयिल्ली आसा की आमी सगळे भुरग्यांनी परत जॉइन जावचें म्हणून आनी जे भुरगे पयलीं जॉइन जाल्ले आसा जे एग्रिगेट MBBS तांचो आतां स्टेटस को आसतलो जे सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या वर्डिक्टाचेर डिपेंड आसतलें. सो आमी आतां जॉइन जातले. सर
आतां केन्ना म्हणून तुमी जॉइन जातले?
आतां सद्या चडशे डिपार्टमेंट बंद जाल्लेले आसा. सो आमचे लेटर आमी सॅटर्डे दितले पण
Supreme Court has issued notices to the Medical and Dental Council. Next hearing of the Supreme Court has been scheduled on September 9th. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Goa government has finally constituted a committee to decide on medium of instruction. Committee will be headed by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Committee will finalize the medium for pre-primary and primary schools. Committee will submit its report within 3 months. English protagonist Savio Lopez and Konkani supporter advocate Uday Bembre will be the special invitees on the committee. Government has set up this committee to resolve the grants issue.
Government has constituted MOI committee under the chairmanship of Chief Minister. It will advise the government on the matter of medium of instruction at primary and pre-primary level. The members are as follows: Madhav Kamath, Suresh Amondkar, Dr. Louis Vernal, P.R. Nadkarni, Selza Pinto, Father Jeffrey D'Souza, Father Dominic Savio, Father Mohsin Ataid, Anil Samant and Mahadev Bedkikar. Advocate Uday Bembre and Savio Lopez are special invitees, while Secretary Education and Director of Education are government officials. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa desk in charge of the Congress, Digvijay Singh, has not succeeded in appointing new GPCC president even during his second visit to Goa. Digvijay Singh addressed the booth and district level congressmen on the Food Security Bill 2013. He has threatened stern action if party workers fail to maintain discipline.
Goa desk in charge of the Congress party, Digvijay Singh, has called his party workers to make people aware about the advantages of Food Security Bill. He has asked the office bearers to convene monthly meetings of block committees and prepare a report. He has also warned action against those not complying with the directives of the party heads.
The block Congress committees must meet every month. The district Congress committees must meet every month. The Pradesh Congress committee must meet every month. And the PCC president has to submit report of the absentees of the block Congress committee, the district Congress committee and the state Congress committee members who have remained absent during the meetings, and anyone who remains absent continuously for 3 meetings, he faces the possibility of his name being deleted from the committee.
The party has still not succeeded in finding a suitable candidate as the Pradesh Congress chief.
Yes, I think that we are in discussion. Hopefully, we'll decide soon. Before Lok Sabha So deadlines I usually don't give, but I'll try my best.
Digvijay Singh has come down heavily on the BJP government. Congress workers have complained that they are hogged and humiliated by the present BJP government. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has alleged that 3 government servants have committed suicide due to harassment by the government.
Atrocities of the government are so heavy, our workers at times are getting demoralized. About 3,000 Congress workers or supporters of Congress party have been transferred from this end to that end. This is what the state of affairs in the state of Goa by this BJP government in the last 17 months. Atrocities on Congress workers are so heavy, people have started sometimes committing suicides. 1-2 लोग तर असे असतात किंवा 3 लोक असे असतात त्यांनी सुसाईड केला because of the atrocities of this government.
Well, we strongly condemn all efforts by the BJP government in Goa. We shall fight this politically and legally.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.